I'm Kyle Swyatt, President and CEO of STI-CO Antenna Solutions.
We design and manufacture two-way radio antenna systems for law enforcement, transit, tactical, public safety, and railroad applications. We're located in Orchard Park, New York, and we've been in business since 1967. I'm pretty proud of that.
One of our biggest challenges is to remain competitive. We're up against many large companies that manufacture overseas. And one of the items that we had wanted to look at more in depth was technology.
The way technology is moving today and how rapid it is, you're going to be left behind.
And that is where working with the SHIFT program and Buffalo Manufacturing Works really helped us.
One of our great successes from the SHIFT program was our automated cable machine. Every cable we produce here has to have a label or multiple labels on them, and we were doing them manually. Well, we discovered through the SHIFT program that we could integrate a cable labeling machine right in line with our cable processor.
And then we also invested in an auto bagger system.
The greatest thing since sliced bread. We used to bag a lot of things by hand, and now we're bagging them by the hundreds per minute.
Buffalo Manufacturing Works has really helped us compete for the future. If we hadn't had that program, we would not have implemented all these different projects that really help reduce our costs and speed up our processes. Everything's changing so fast. It's so important to really invest in the company to become faster, smarter, and better.